Okay, so here I'm just pretty much showing that I am cutting off the combs that are in the inside of the wig. This way it lays flatter and it doesn't pull your natural hair. So here the combs are removed. I'm gonna get ready to add a little bit of powder, and then I proceed to spray it to just have that powder just sit in place, if that makes sense. But it basically just holds the shade in place that I put on the cap or lace. So, yeah. So this is the wig straight out of the package. It has not, like, I haven't done anything to it. So it's just kind of all over the place. Look at the hairline. It sucks.
Okay, so I've had some phone calls, so I actually did not get to record what I was doing. I do actually have on a stocking cap under here. It's like a really light brown to kind of go with my complexion. I got a little forehead action going on, and I did try to tweeze just a little bit. I did spray the sides, but again, I had a phone call, so I could not use the hairdryer to secure this. So actually what I used, y'all, I got stuff all over the place, but that's all good because I'm doing my hair in here. But I'm using the even stuff, and you have to be careful with this one because this sucker will turn white. It will turn white and just look crazy. And I do want to say I'm not a huge fan of this texture. I'm not really. I've never had textured besides curly, and then when you blow it out, like it's a little texture. But to just wear like textured hair like this, I've never done it. So, I kind of should have did some lip gloss or something on my lips. I don't know. But anywho, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys real quick what I am doing. So you can see the wig cap right here. I didn't see the point in just doing all the extra simply because I like the color kind of coming through because it looks more like scalp. You see what I'm saying? But basically what I was doing is just, just kind of plucking like that. So it's not as thick up in here. You see what I'm saying? Be careful, don't bald it, girl. Don't bald it. Okay. Let's see. Alright, so that's semi good right there. My hair clip is sliding. But and you see how the hairline, it's not giving natural at all. So this is why, with this particular one, you do have to work with it a little. You know what I'm saying? It's not bad, honestly. Y'all know I don't really, I don't be having a whole lot of time on my hands. So one, again, I'm like, mommy, and I don't want this too thick right here. And I did not do the whole ball cap method. Like, I just honestly wanted to get this done. Y'all see the demarcation right there? But that's okay because we are going to do some swoops. And also, by adding, you want to spray a little got to be right there. That will help. You see how you can't see that anymore? And I'm going to go in with the hairdryer in a little bit here, so. Okay. So, just going to, and to make it like a little uneven, you know what I'm saying? You can twist it up just a little bit. And just go down like that. So, I'm in a hurry. Gotta go sign some deals, y'all. But doing it that way makes it a whole lot easier. And it makes it a little tacky, so the baby hairs will stick. But y'all see how that got to be just the other thing right there. Alright, so I'm just going to pull a thin amount out again. And again, I do need to spray these edges real quick. Okay. Get a little bit tacky. And y'all can see the difference in the lace, because this side right here, I only use the even. So, like I said, y'all, the even does turn white, so you want to be fairly careful with that. Look at how quick this is, just to switch up your style. I mean, it literally takes, 20 minutes max to do your hair. Just throw on a wig, girl. Throw on a wig. Braid your hair up real good, okay? Braid it up real, real good. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck some of this out. Ouch. Go up a little higher. And then come on down, girl. Come on down. And I'm going to use the Got2b gel on here to give it a little swoop right there. And I really want to have a discussion about the human hair coming from China at some point. Because y'all, they will get you. Realistically, they will get you. And then have you pay money to ship the hair back, and it's their fault. And then once you ship the hair back, they want to, if they do give you a refund, they want to minus the original shipping that you paid for to get the hair, the bad quality hair that they sent you. Make that make sense to me. That's what I need right now. I need that to make sense to me. But I'm sure there are some reputable companies out there. Like even, okay, so the vendor that I was using, the vendor that I was using, I had to pretty much stop using them like I was because, they started jacking their prices way up. And for me, I don't want to be, like over, to me, like charging folks an arm and a leg for, you want to make your profit, don't get me wrong, because you do have to source the hair. You do have to make sure that the hair is quality because your name is on the line. You know what I'm saying? Your name is on the line, girl. So that's just them going up on their prices. I wasn't for it. Realistically, I just was not for it. I'm just like, you let me know when y'all come on back down to reality. And they were like, oh, well, I guess some people out there was stealing hair or something, or I don't know. It was a weird situation that didn't make no sense to me. It just didn't. Y'all see how she coming to life? Y'all see that? Y'all see that, honey? You just want to bring a little bit out like that. CP? I don't know. I look like somebody. I just got a notification. Somebody's at my door. They don't know what packages I have for today. So this is basically how I'm gonna leave it. CP, open the door right now. Right now. Y'all see what I'm saying? I have to be in a hurry because my son, if I'm not focusing on him, wild child, full effect. All right, y'all, I'll be back. All right, so this is what the top looks like, y'all. y'all can see that really good. And I have not put anything on this part or nothing. But I'm getting ready to flat iron it, do a little makeup, and then I'll be back. So we're going to try to do some thick layers. See how that goes. I have this flat iron on the hottest setting. Now that looks so much better compared to this. Okay, so I'm going to do one more pass. Stop! See, look at the difference in texture. Okay. The thinner layers you do, or pieces, sections, I think the better it'll come out. Gosh, I got there. What? Don't put that on your face. Boys don't do that. That's only for girls. No, that's not for your mouth. No, don't use that. Move. Can you put my makeup brush down? Yes, that's my makeup brush. Don't touch it. Don't. What did I just say? There's no point in doing that whole chase method, honestly, with this. You know? Give me that. I'll be back when I'm done, you guys.
Okay, y'all. So, this is the final look of this hair. This is the length. Yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna cut it or anything like that because, as I said, I do need to go ahead and get myself together. I don't even have on chapstick. Now, you know, you do not need to be coming on YouTube, girl, without some chapstick at least on your lips, okay? And as for this little middle piece at the top, if you spray it with some Got To Be, you don't even have to do all that extra stuff, you know, hit them flyaways. You ain't gotta do that wax stick situation, which this is synthetic hair, so I wouldn't do that. Anywho, I'm just saying, girl, save your coins. Save your coins because you're gonna be ruining your little hair that you could be keeping for a little bit longer, okay? Yeah. All right, y'all, I'll take some pictures and show y'all.
Okay, here is the final looks, ladies and gentlemen. I am feeling so good. Like, I really love this hair. I mean, it didn't really tangle that much. I'm totally feeling it, you guys.